Good day, everyone. So we are the group 5, presenting the performance test in mathematics in the modern world. Let me introduce my group members. So first is me, Bundakay DeAndre. Next is Condex Andre Clay. And next is Criado Jerome. Next is Aranjo Duen Wendell. Next is Galagani Melvin. Next is Luwang ang Jairel May. Next is Montecalvo Teodore. And lastly, Ostia Jaira. Let's go to learning objectives. So first is, let's identify the 3 types of different patterns. And next is explaining how those pictures can be applied as patterns in the real life world. So first pattern is number patterns. So usually it familiar to the students. It is the first pattern encountered in our school. Like a number pattern is also known as a sequence, where it's a really carefully organized list of numbers that follows a specific logical order or rule, showcasing relationships and trends within the data.
This number pattern are usually familiar to students since it is the first pattern encountered in school. A number pattern also known as sequence, like for example, in this photo, in the left side, the third layer, which is the 1, 2, 1, to get the 3 in the fourth layer. The 1 and 2 are added and become 3. How about this 7th layer? The 1 and 6 are added also and turn it into 7. The 6 and 15 are also added and turn it into 21. Now let's move on into the number pattern in real life. In this left photo, the calendar, it usually it's a number pattern. It's because of each day we added 1 until the month reset, because date go up by 1 each day to track the passing of time and organize event schedule and holiday easily. This system also repeat every month so people can plan their activities. In this left photo, the unlimited wings, also a number pattern. You can see the number and every price are have a 9 in the end of the price. Like for example, the price is 89, 99, and 149. This happened because pinapawasan siya ng isa. Imbis na buo. So kumbaga, sineset to ng mga restaurant or mga karinderya kasi mas mukha siyang cheap sa mga customer, and more on nagpo-focus talaga sila kung ano yung pinakamura since mahal nga yung bilihin. Anyways, kahit piso lang naman yung binawas, mas mura pa rin siya tingnan kasi ito ay psychological pricing and common sa maraming shop. Also, strategy to kasi when the quantity increases, the price will decrease also. Kasi dahil ang large order ay may discount siya. Like, kunyari itong wings a la carte. Yung chicken wings na 6 pieces, 149 siya. Tapos, yung 12 pieces is 289. So, paano nangyari yan? So, nagbawas siya ng 9 pesos para mas makakabawas. Kahit dinoble lang naman yung 149. So, ganun din dito sa 289. 12 pieces plus 18 pieces. So, 4 lang yung dinagdag. E di, dapat mahal yon. Kasi, kung i-compute natin, 149 divided by 6 is nasa 24-25 pesos lang. Eh kung sabihin man natin 18 pesos siya, tas times mo siya sa 25, eh di nasa 400 siya, 450. So 399 lang. So ang laki ng discount kasi yung 289 na dapat 450 eh naging 399. So dapat mas mahal. Pero kung ikukumpara natin yung 289 sa 399, ang nabawas lang is 110. Ganun din sa iba. So usually ito talaga yung ginagamit, yung 9.
So next is the geometric patterns. So geometric pattern is a motif or design formed by repeating shapes such as lines, squares, and triangles. It is found in art, architecture, and textiles. So these patterns can be simple or complex, creating visually appealing effects like aesthetic designs.
A series of rectangular metal bars that appear to fold inward in a spiral or step-like manner. They arrange symmetrically, with each rectangle getting smaller toward to the center, forming a strong visual illusion. A tightly packed, repeating Y-shaped pattern arranged in a dense, repeating interlock. The pieces interconnect without gaps, forming a strong continuous surface.
So for the next and last patterns, which is the word patterns. So it is found in language like morphological rules on pluralizing nouns or conjugating verbs for tense.
So the first picture shown an rule of three. This is a literary and rhetorical pattern where ideas are presented into groups of three. This technique creates rhythm, improves recall, and feels satisfying because our brains are wired to latch onto trees naturally. And the second picture shown an word repetition. This is a powerful and universal word-level pattern that shows up across everyday language, literature, culture, advertising, even speech and cognitive behavior.
And that's it, everyone. Thank you for listening and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye-bye.